Guys, I know most of you ran away from using AliExpress like 2 years ago or 3 years ago after the CBN stopped the use of using Nigerian Naira card to buy on AliExpress and some of all these international markets. Some of us now have to run to go and do our dollar card so we can continue buying from AliExpress, Alibaba, and pay some things online. Well, I know you must have heard the latest that OPay, you can now pay OPay and AliExpress. They have come together, have a linkage in which you can now pay for your goods with your OPay account. Yes, whereby if you finish shopping, you can then click on the buy option. So when I was not try to pay, now link it to your OPay. You now use your OPay and make payment. Whereby you just put your email, your phone number, then your password. You now log into your OPay, then the bill will now appear. Then you pay. Well, on this episode, you are going directly to it. Yes, I'm going to show you directly on how I did it and how you can do it. So guys, let's go. Now when you're at AliExpress, you need to search the product you want to buy. You must have searched the product you want to buy. Let's assume you want to buy this. Search the product you want to buy. This MacBook stand. I think I need it for my MacBook. Yes, you have chosen the product already. I've added it to your cart. Make sure you look at the terms and so that make sure you are buying the right product. Yes, add it to cart. Now, but I've already added some products, so I'll just go to my account, then click on my to pay because I have some testing products I've already added there. This product is 2. So I just click on one. Price are the same thing, so I just click on one, then click on other items. This other item also click to pay. I just click on all of them. So I'm going to pay for all these products together now. And these sunglasses. There is now click on pay all orders. There are 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, correct. Click on pay all orders. Now it's loading. Now you see it's not here, but you now click on that view more. You have seen OPay. Once you click on OPay, now click on pay now. Now it's taking you to OPay bank now. Take it to my OPay bank. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is my OPay bank now. I will now put in my phone number. So if I put your phone number, once you now put in your phone number, you should now take it to pay. You know whether I want to save your details, which is not saved. Don't save it. Just put it there. See that, take it to my OPay now. Verify that you see. You want to click on pay now. You now send an OTP to your phone, in which I will now take. Then I will type it. I will not type it. This is the OTP they sent to me. Once you click on type, you now click on pay now. To now pay. So guys, it's as easy as that. Now successful your payment. These are you pay on where you pay with OPay on AliExpress and get your orders shipped to you. So guys, it's as easy as that. It's redirecting me back to payment successful. You see, there guys, it's a success. So this is how you are going to pay and your distance. See, so really successful. See the items. It's not showing view all. It will now be, it's no more to ship, it's no more to pay, it will not be to ship. Understand? No more to pay now. See, I will pay for all of them. So guys, that's just it. Nothing here to pay. Go to ship now. See, waiting to be shipped. So guys, it's easy as that. It's easy as that. That's all. So guys, if you know you found this video interesting and helpful, kindly click on the subscription channel to support the page, and also like and comment what you want us to talk more about, and don't forget to tell someone about us and share this to someone you know this will be important to Thanks for watching. Subscribe.